Art is great. Let's create art. Let's make art. Cut and paste. Paint, paint, paint. But where, oh where are the scissors? Where, oh where is the glue? I just want to cut and paste. What am I going to do?
The glue is in your pocket. That is a funny place. The scissors are on the table right under your face.
Art. Let's make art. Art is great. Let's create art. Let's make art. Cut and paste. Paint, paint, paint. But where, oh where is the apron? Where, oh where is the paint? I want to make some art because my art is great.